What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs. I just wanted to say, so far the contest is going really well. I've gained a lot of new followers from this. You guys are awesome. Thank you for the awesome comments that you guys are leaving me. I got the tool set. The tool set's coming. I will do a review on it so you guys can see in depth what it is that you're gonna get. And I just want to wish you guys good luck, and I really want to say thank you for supporting me and supporting my channel. I will become better on YouTube. My videos will get a little bit better. I do have a lot of awesome DIY videos to do on my Avalanche, to do on my Corolla, to do on a few other ones on my cars. And yeah, everything is going the way that I wanted to. It's exciting. I also want to let you guys know I will be having more giveaways in the future, so don't think that this is just the only giveaway. Plus, if you guys don't win, whoever is the lucky winner, congratulations. But for those who don't win, don't feel down, don't feel sad, because I will have more. You will get a chance to win something. I see that the tool sets are actually like a big plus for people, so I'm actually gonna start doing more tool set giveaways for people because I guess they really like that. I just want to say thank you for everything and just following me and wishing me good luck on my channel. Plus, I hope to have you guys stick around with me for a very long time, and I hope that I can help a lot of you guys out with whatever you need help with. On that note, I just want to let you guys know that I know a good amount of stuff on cars. I know how to do a lot of stuff on cars. I don't know everything. I'm still learning. I'm still growing. I do a lot of reading on Google. I even look on YouTube how to do certain stuff as well. I'd rather be honest with you guys to let you know. But I'm not dumb when it comes to cars either. I can figure things out. But it's all a learning experience. No one's ever gonna know everything. So, you just take it with a grain of salt and you just learn. You learn as you go. What I do is I usually look, if I gotta get like a engine out or a transmission out, or I gotta get this part out, I look at what's holding it in or around it, and I remove that and I pull it out. Granted, there's probably easier ways to do it than just pulling everything out to get it out. If you look online, someone will show you a different way, which is what I usually do. I always research what I'm doing and make sure that I'm doing it to the best of my abilities. Yeah, with that being said, I actually gotta go. I gotta go look at two customers' cars. Mobile mechanic, that's what I gotta do. And just want to say thank you guys, and I am grateful for all your support. Peace. See you soon.